Today we're going to look at the Lay's and Kurkure Chaat. You can choose any flavor that suits your taste, but today we have chosen the naughty tomato version of Kurkure and the hot and sweet chili flavor of the Lay's chips that's available in the market. Now we empty the Lay's chips into the container. The third variety that we are going to have is the Thai sweet chili flavor. Now we empty the contents of this chips packet as well into the container. Let's mix them well so that we can readily add the vegetables to make the chaat. First we add the onions nicely and finely chopped. Second we have tomatoes, again finely chopped, we adding it on top of the chaat. Next we add some garam masala, some pepper, followed by some chaat masala. Then we squeeze half a lemon into the chaat. We top it up with some coriander leaves